Here I have DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So firstly, you just have to turn the device off, and after it turns off completely, you just have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time, like this, for a couple of seconds. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. And after that, you will end up in the following menu. In this menu, here you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option Wipe Cache Partition, and then confirm it by selecting yes. After you see the message cache wipe complete, you just have to select the first option, Reboot System Now, and after that, your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.